So in Fresno, California, we just finished installing a couple of items here, the disposal and then a faucet. So the homeowner provided this. It's a Badger 5 half horse, and that's what we install in all of our homes when we were doing replacements. Got a special mounting flange here. You can see that's an oil rub bronze on the bottom. We'll show you a picture of the top in a minute. So extra flange, and that's straight from InSync Aerator. We don't use the off brands. So that's installed, brand new putty, everything's tight, run lots of water down this, everything is good. Over here we cut the old waste out, put a 40-inch and a half schedule 40 ABS 45 on the trap adapter, and then give you a brand new P-trap. Over to the arm that comes with the kit, so this 90-degree turn that comes with the disposal. So that's installed, and that's your existing hose from the dishwasher coming over, the drain hose, the white one back there. We did disassemble the air gap. We took the air gap out entirely, put a new air gap in, not just the cover, but brand new air gap. They're like $7 at Home Depot, and there's no reason not to replace it while you're doing a new remodel. So brand new air gap installed, then a brand new 7/8 hose. Discharge hose coming from the air gap over to the disposal. Plugs knocked out, that's good. Up on top you can see here's the flange that we were talking about. So, you know, as this is been tested. Oh, a second baffle as well. So that's it's a splash guard. It's intended from InSync Aerator for the Evolution series. Helps to silence the noise coming through, but it's also a splash guard to keep things from spitting back up there. And then up to the faucet. So you got a Moen faucet, electronic. So just sensor on the side, and then off. If you want to use it manually, you can certainly just turn it on, and that disables the sensor function on this side. So this is great for cooking. Son's got one installed at his house by Kohler, but this works great. And of course the custom cover over here for the air gap. So everything looks good here. Outside of that, this installation is done.